GSPSCN brand is a professional manufacturer of tire inflator. The air compressor is suitable for car, motorcycle, bicycle, van, SUV, small truck, ball etc. Our package include a portable bag, 11.5 feet air hose, battery clamp, fuse, and 3 nozzles. The tire inflator can use a cigarette lighter or car battery as a power source. We recommend car battery which can faster inflated. This air compressor can inflated the 16-inch tire to 35 psi in 2 minutes. We provide 11.5 feet air hose, which is long enough to suitable for various car models. We test inflatable bicycles, basketballs, airbed swimming rings, which can be completed in a few seconds, and the usage is very convenient and fast. The tire inflator is equipped with bright LED lights, makes for convenient use at night. Visit the official store of GSPSCN. There are more air compressor in our store for you to choose.
AI 100 PSI portable air compressor maximizes your tire's ability while saving you money. Its simple and lightweight design means it travels anywhere you do. Just stow it in your vehicle's trunk, garage, toolbox, or anywhere you might need it. Set it and forget it means that after setting your desired pressure, the compressor will inflate up to your preset level and automatically turn off. This compressor fills tires on cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles with ease. Precise results are displayed on a clear, backlit LCD screen that always returns an accurate reading. We're also throwing in a clip-on shuck to make inflating your tires even easier. Included accessories make it simple to inflate sports equipment and other inflatables to keep you going on all of life's adventures.
Our portable compressors can be used by anyone who owns a car. Since it's recommended to check and maintain your tire pressure monthly, these compressors make it easy for you to do so. Maintaining proper tire pressure is important because it helps your tires last longer, it's better for gas mileage, and it makes for a smoother ride on the road. We recommend checking and inflating your tires before you start driving for the day when the tires are cold, since heat will cause the air to expand and increase pressure in the tires. Next is our 88P, larger and faster than the previous models. It's geared towards large trucks and SUVs with a max tire size of 33 inches. The compressor has a max working pressure of 120 psi at 1.47 CFM. It includes a 16-foot air hose and a 10-foot power cord. You can easily reach any tire you're trying to get to and get back on the road quickly. Now we'll get into how to use these compressors. First, remove the compressor from the carry bag and make sure the power button is in the off position. Connect to either a cigarette outlet or battery and make sure your engine's running. Connect to the tire's valve stem and turn the compressor on. You'll need to turn the compressor off to get an accurate PSI reading. Once finished, make sure the compressor is in the off position. Unhook or twist off the valve stem, remove the compressor from the power source, and put away in the carry bag for later use. Before you do that, make sure the compressor has enough time to cool off prior to putting it back into its storage bag. So whatever your tire fill needs are, VIAIR's promise is to consistently deliver performance, reliability, and value.